Hi, this is Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. We had another discussion weekend just yesterday with a homeowner who was asking, is it a good time to put the home on the market? So we reviewed the market and this particular home. And this home has a vacant suite in good condition. Now, 2024 has been marked by homes with suites where tenants are paying well below market rent. And that has really come home to bear with interest rates where they are, regardless if they're going down, because the math doesn't work for that buyer, right? Now, in this case, the suite is vacant, has just been completely remodeled. That has to be a huge factor for anyone looking to live in North Nanaimo for a house with a suite that's vacant. You set your own rent, get your own tenant. Remax of Nanaimo has a property management company that can help you with that if that's what you prefer. But if you got a home like that, why wait till spring? Hey, nice, clean suite in good condition. Well, let's get it on the market now. If you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.